In 1983, a guy called Richard Dennis made a bet. He believed he could take anyone off the street and turn them into a profitable trader within 2 weeks. So he trained them. He called them the Turtles. And guess what? He was right. His students made 175 million in 5 years. The secret weapon was a single indicator. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what it was. And then I'm going to show you why using it today could get you destroyed. What is the Donchian channel? The Donchian channel plots 3 lines. The upper band, highest price over the last 20 candles. The lower band, the lowest price over the last 20 candles. The middle line, the average of the two. That's it. No formula, no complexity. Price breaks above the upper band, potential long, or it breaks below the lower band, potential short. And here is what it looks like on a chart. So how did the Turtles use it? One rule: buy when price breaks the 20-day high, sell when price breaks the 20-day low. No discretion, no gut feelings, no opinion. The line broke, or it did not. But the Donchian channel was only the trigger. They risked exactly 1% of their portfolio per trade. They used ATR to size every position. I did an ATR video above. They cut their losses immediately, no hesitation. They added to winning trades as the trend improved, and held for months. The math was the edge. The Donchian channel was just the entry. 20 out of the 23 novices became profitable traders. 80% average compound return over 5 years. Audited and public record. So that is not a back test. That is real money. So why would it fail today? The math has not changed. 30 to 40% win rate, same as always. The market structure has changed. In 2026, algorithms front run every obvious technical level. They know exactly where retail breakout entries are sitting. They push the price just enough to trigger the buy and fill their massive short against your entry. Then reverse hard. You are not a turtle. You are liquidity. The chop problem makes it worse. You can see this right on the chart here. Markets range like this approximately 70% of the time. And in a ranging market, it prints a new signal all the time. Every breakout fails. Every entry gets stopped out. Without a strong trend, it bleeds accounts dry. And the lag is structural, cannot be fixed. By the time the 20-day high breaks, the move has already started. Look at this. You are entering after institutions have already positioned. So let me show you an example. You can see here that the Donchian channel has broken above this 20-day high. It's screaming, go long. But the yellow arrow here is where a pulse flow alert came in. USTC, USDT. A bearish signal, not going long, going short, in a downtrend. All this information inside one alert. Now let's do some setup based on that. I've wound the chart forward to where the alert came in. Now I turn on institutional indicators. So the coin is in a downtrend. It's going its own way from Bitcoin, which means it's less influenced by Bitcoin's price movements. That's a good thing in crypto. We've had a bearish fair value gap with a break of structure. There are various rejection blocks beneath us for profit targets. Let me do a trade setup. Under normal circumstances, I would also add points of control, but for the sake of this, I'm going to select a profit target at this rejection block down here. Also, you may have read in the alert, if you pause the video, tends to bounce before moving down. So I've put my entry a little bit back up here. I expect it to come up, and as it turns around, I go in. So, is Donchian right? Or is pulse flow right? Donchian 0, pulse flow 1. So the Donchian channel is not a bad indicator. It is an indicator being used in a market it wasn't designed for. In trending commodity markets with months-long moves, it has genuine edge. In 2026 crypto markets with algorithmic manipulation, it is a liability. The Turtles did not win because of the channel. They won because of position size, discipline, and ironclad risk management. The channel was the trigger, the math was the edge. Copy the trigger without the system, and you lose. The spirit of the Turtles is sound, mechanical, disciplined, trend following. But the tools need an upgrade. Modern markets need you to understand why price moves, not just where has it been. Areas of liquidity, order blocks, fair value gaps, liquidity pools, points of control. These are levels that institutions actually defend, not a 20-day high that every algorithm on the planet already knows about. So the turtles were not wrong. The market has changed. In 1983, algorithms did not hunt for your stop loss. In 2026, they do. The spirit of the turtles still works. Mechanical, disciplined, trend following, strong risk management. But you need to be using tools that institutions can't front run. Okay, please would you subscribe, like and share. You can watch one of my other videos down there and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.